If you're wondering how to set up an HR hub for a remote workforce and want a straight-to-the-point walkthrough, this is the only guide you need. I've tested all the most popular HR software options, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to set up, how to structure it, and where to start. Plus, I'll give you access to an exclusive free trial for my top pick, only available to viewers of this channel, so stick around. Setting up an HR hub for a remote workforce isn't just about plugging in software. It's about creating a centralized system where your team can access everything they need: contracts, policies, benefits, onboarding checklists, time off requests, performance reviews, and more, without chasing down emails or spreadsheets. Start by choosing the right HR platform. After testing Bamboo HR, Gusto, Deal, Rippling, and others, my recommendation is Rippling, for its flexibility, automation, and ease of use with remote teams. It lets you manage employee data, payroll, IT provisioning, compliance, and benefits in one place. The free trial link is in the description. It's exclusive for this channel's viewers. Once you're in, begin by uploading your employee directory. That's your foundation. Full name, email, location, job title, and start date. If you're moving from another system or spreadsheet, Rippling supports quick imports. Next, set up onboarding flows. This is where remote HR hubs shine. Automate welcome emails, assign e-signature documents, and provide access to tools like Slack, Google Workspace, or Notion, all triggered the moment someone is added to the platform. After onboarding, go to the document section. Upload your company handbook, leave policy, reimbursement process, and performance review guidelines. Make sure these are visible to all employees and easy to update. You can even assign documents to specific roles or departments. Now configure time off management. Choose your leave types: vacation, sick leave, personal days, and assign rules by region. Remote teams often span countries, so set up local public holidays and custom accruals based on location. If you're managing payroll in multiple regions, Rippling also handles global payments. Just integrate your finance team, link your bank, and set up country-specific compliance rules. For contractors, set up W-9 or W-8 BEN forms, and make sure tax documents are automated at year-end. Next, build out performance tracking. Set quarterly check-ins, goals, and review templates that align with your company's mission. You can assign managers and automate reminders for one-on-ones or formal reviews. Finally, add a support channel. Link Slack or set up a shared HR inbox where employees can submit requests, ask policy questions, or escalate sensitive issues. Your HR hub should feel like a service desk: quick, supportive, and always available. Here's the key takeaway. A strong HR hub for a remote workforce doesn't just replace paperwork. It builds a scalable, organized system that saves you time and gives your team confidence in how you run things. Quick recap. Choose the right platform. I recommend Rippling. Links below. Upload your team directory. Automate onboarding. Centralize documents. Set up time off and global payroll. Track performance. Open support channels. If you want to follow along and set this up today, grab the exclusive free trial link in the description. It's only for viewers of my channel. It'll save you hours and give you a clean, scalable HR hub for your remote team. Thanks for watching.